Hello everyone, welcome back. If the volume button is not working for audio and video call for WhatsApp and also for listening voice messages, then do the following step on iOS and Android platform. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we are going to check the update for WhatsApp and iOS devices. For that, tap and hold the App Store. Now tap on updates and check the list is there is any update available for WhatsApp. If there is, then we have to update WhatsApp app first. After that, we have to go to settings, then tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. If both are updated and you are still facing the same issue, then we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on WhatsApp. Under WhatsApp, we have to turn off microphone. After that, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. Then go back to settings, same scroll, find and tap on WhatsApp. And enable microphone for WhatsApp. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If still you have, then move to some other solutions. The next one is settings and tap on general. Scroll, find and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. What we have to do, we have to tap and hold the WhatsApp and tap remove app. Now tap delete app. After deleting the app, soft restart and then go back to App Store and re-download WhatsApp. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.